'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the pole Santa fretted and paced, and worried deep in his soul. He loved his dear reindeer from Dasher to Blitzen, but the world's population had grown past all prediction. For the last several Christmases, with a sigh and a groan, they'd made several trips, for the presents had grown.
Ho, ho, ho!
The sleigh overstuffed was too heavy to haul. They couldn't deliver the gifts to them all. It's too much for one night. Santa cried in a slump as the reindeer collapsed in a tired, furry lump. This second trip business is just not the way. We need some more power to finish by day.
Ho, ho, ho!
Then what to his wondering eyes should appear but a crew of his elves with a surprising cheer.
Ho, ho, ho!
With wrenches and sockets, they worked with a grin and dropped a brand new Cummins engine right in. It rumbled to life with a powerful sound, shaking the snow on the hard frozen ground. The elves stepped aside, all covered in soot, as Santa admired the power output. He climbed in his seat, and he gave it a try. A deep diesel rumble then filled up the sky. The torque is amazing.
Ho, ho, ho!
He bellowed with glee.
Ho, ho, ho!
This has so much more power than my whole reindeer team. He pushed on the pedal, the engine did roar, and penned him right back to the sleigh's leather door. He laughed a great laugh, and his belly did shake. This is just what we need for Christmas's sake. The reindeer at first, they were not impressed. They snorted and scoffed, feeling quite dispossessed.
Ho, ho, ho!
We've pulled this old sleigh since the first Christmas Eve, said Rudolph, whose nose showed his utter disbelief. But when all the presents were loaded inside, a mountain of gifts, both long, tall, and wide.
Ho, ho, ho!
The engine just purred, and with one mighty heave, they lifted it all, you would not believe.
Ho, ho, ho!
The deer, now convinced, pulled with all of their might. The Cummins-powered sleigh soared off into the night, and they heard him exclaim, as he drove out of sight, "Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night."
Ho, ho, ho!
Like and subscribe for more.
Ho, ho, ho!